Hi, welcome to Authentic Food Recipes. Today we are preparing sesame milk. Wash the sesame seeds and soak it for 6 to 8 hours. Then put it in the mixer. Add water and grind it into a fine paste. Sis- Put this paste into cotton pouch and squeeze the milk into the vessel. Sesame milk is rich in calcium than any animal based milk. Put the pulp into the mixer again. Add water and grind it again. Again, extract the milk by squeezing it tightly. Repeat it one more time. Now, warm this milk by double boiling method. Now, sesame milk is ready.